Good morning, everybody. This is Keith with my beehive, and day 18. I plan on putting a second brood on this box to further grow more, not grow, but produce more bees, and so they're gonna make more cells and lay more eggs and create more bees. I don't know if I mentioned this. You get, when you buy your package, you get 10,500 bees approximately. It's 3,500 bees per pound, and you get 3 pounds of bees. And most hives will have like 40,000 bees. So I have to make sure I got enough room for 40,000 bees. Sounds like a lot, but anyways, so here we are. Gonna start open this up. There's nothing in the top here. It's actually closed off, other than ants. Get my hive tool and brush. And you'll see how they're looking. So this is the top section. That is just an empty frame, basically. There we go. And just a blank frame. Creates a box for this. And again, I'm not wearing a veil or any protection. It's my choice. And I don't recommend it, but all right, let's see what's going on. They're not up on top like they usually are, but they're filling up the cells. All right, I forgot to grab this and bring it down. I have something to put my frames on. All right. So let's start with the second one in, see what we look like. There's still nothing on here. I don't know, maybe I can wait. Alright, they're looking at this one. Definitely got some activity on this one. Alright, so we have combs, and there's they're full of not nectar, pollen. And we got quite a few capped over here. White caps on them, full of some liquids. As you can see, they've built all these cells up from that blank substrate. All right, let's check out this one. We can put this one back. Move this in. Move this in. looking good. This one's full, both sides. Look at that. Oh, yeah, there's a lot of bees ready to be come to life. Can you see any hatching? Not yet. But that's that side. And you see, and that's that side. So you got different colors. All right, so that's what I gotta do today. Ow! All right, well, you got one sting. Let's put that down. I'm sorry, guys. All right, let's do this again. I want to see if I can find the queen, if I see her. I don't see her anywhere. There's a lot of activity going on. We're doing really well. But we need some bees to be born. Okay, let's see. Closing it up. So there's, looks like there's a lot of larvae in there. You know, it's kind of hard to see. But in the bottom you see some C-shaped larvae. So these are all capped. Most of these are capped. And there's larvae in almost every one of them, which is perfect. Let's put this here. Yeah, there's, oh man, this one's full of, a third of it's full of larvae, a quarter of it anyway. This is all new cells, all new combs. Nothing in them yet. Little liquid on the top end here. But that's a lot of nice cells. So they are managing to build their nest. There's this one. This one started on this side and just a little bit on this side. So I think we're looking really well. Oh, there's the queen, I think. Yeah, right there. See her right there? That's the queen. Because she's the biggest one, and she's got really little wings, so I know that's her. So the next time I come out, oh right, yeah. So this, if you look down in the bottom, you see this little grain. That's an egg. So she's already laid eggs in here. That's what she's doing. They're building them up and she's laying the eggs. Oh man, this can't be going any better than this. So I think we're looking good. All right. So go ahead and put these back into place. Oh, man. A couple of these are heavy. I swear to God. This is heavy. The inside looks good. I didn't see too many beetles, but I got a, oh, wrong one. There's ants. Not that many like the last time. So they're looking good. And this goes back in here. It's a cloudy day. It's cool. Yeah, well, it's humid and hot. I think it's in the 70s right now. So that is looking good. Let's see if we get beetles. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections that are producing babies and pollen. And I'm going to add the brood box. So this is the super, and I got the frames in the garage, and this is what this will be the area where their honey is going to be made if they do their job right. Anyway, so this is another brood box. It's just going to sit right on top of this one. Like so. And then they'll be coming up in here into these frames, and they'll start building their combs on these. So we'll check this next week and see how they're doing. So I got stung once, and yeah, it's nothing. Just don't want to get hit up by a swarm of bees. I'm doing this just because I want these guys to make sure, I want to make sure there's plenty of food so she can lay lots of eggs and there's plenty of food. I mean, it's still early spring, you know, not a lot of flowers yet. Dandelions. This will go back on. And again, this is just for the feeder, and once I don't have the jar in there, I won't need this section again. It'll be just basically, it'll be this board and then the cover, this cover here. And that's today's presentation. We're building it up. Got to keep researching and reading. But so far so good. Anyways, thanks. Hope you're watching it. Enjoy, and have a great day. Love everybody. God bless. See you later.